Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger. So if you own a Facebook group or a Facebook page and now you want to set up a automated or auto replies for your page or group visitors, follow these easy steps. And first of all, on your computer, open browser and open your Facebook page. Click on Meta Business Suite. And here click on this drop down and select your professional account to work with. If you don't have any account, click on create a business account to create it for free. Okay, once done, now click on inbox and click on automations. And here click on create automation and select instant reply and click on edit automation. And here first of all must enable this instant reply option and select here messenger because we are going to create or set up automated responses for Facebook Messenger, right? So check this box. And now here we can see a preview of automatic replies. Scroll down, here you will get this message box. Here we can edit our auto replies message. And if you want to insert profile or visitors profile name, here just select the area and click on personalize your message. You can add here first name of recipient. You can add last name of recipient. So let's add first name of recipient. And now here we can see the preview. Now all you have to need after customizing your message, click on save changes and then scroll down. Here you will get all of your created automations or auto replies. You can easily edit any of them by clicking on edit. And this is how we can actually set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.